Hi, my name is Adam Bergman. I'm a partner with the SDIRA Financial Group. Today I want to discuss self-directed and solo 401k Roth conversions. This is an area that there's a lot of talk, articles, and a lot of information on, but there's really no right answer as to when or how you should do Roth conversions. Essentially, a Roth conversion is when you take your pre-tax IRA or 401k and then you convert it to Roth. It's a taxable event. You have to pay tax on the value of the conversion. You don't have to convert everything at once, but whatever you're converting, whether it's cash or assets, needs to be valued, and you would then pay tax on your return the following year. There's no penalty for doing a conversion, no 10% penalty. There is tax. So who should do it? There's no right answer, unfortunately. Obviously, the younger you are, I think Roth conversions generally make more sense because you have more tax-free growth opportunities. Of course, you have to be able to pay the tax because tax is due. So if you're not going to be able to pay the tax, you may not want to consider a Roth conversion. The same way, if you're 7 years old or 80 years old, maybe you don't want to do a Roth conversion either because of the age. Those are really the two main factors. The third really is your confidence in your investments. If you are very confident that the real estate or the stocks or mutual funds or the bitcoins or currency you own will be a great investment, the rental flow, income flow from the real estate would be a great cash flow in your retirement, then the Roth conversion could make sense because once that money is Roth and you hold the Roth account open 5 years and you're over 59 and a half, you will not pay tax on any of the income you take out of the Roth. So that's great, and when you retire, to have the cash flow from either dividends or rental income or interest on hard money loans that you never have to pay tax on. So it's quite valuable. Doing the conversion is easy. It's just paperwork. In the case of an IRA, you just talk to your custodian. They'll do the paperwork. They'll issue a 1099-R to the IRS. Very simple. In case of a solo 401k, if you're the administrator, you would basically issue the 1099-R. You would then want to move the funds from the pre-tax account, probably open up a sub-account under the solo 401k, maybe a different bank account, still under the 401k, but just a sub-account, move the money from one account to the other, issue a 1099-R the following year in January or February, and then pay the tax on your return. Again, there's no right or wrong answer. I wish I could give people better information, but it's up to each person's particular situation, tax situation, facts and circumstances involved in their financial position. So again, the younger you are, you got to be able to afford to pay the taxes. You basically should have strong confidence in your investment, because I always give the example of the Lehman Brothers or Enron crisis debacle. Imagine you did a Roth conversion and then Enron or Lehman Brothers or Bear Stearns, you've just paid tax to the Treasury and you got nothing to show for it. So that's kind of like a double loss. But either way, you should talk to your financial advisors, tax advisors, to see if it works for you. Doing it is fairly simple, whether you're in an IRA or 401k, just paperwork. Tax will be due on the value of the cash or fair market value of the asset, no 10% penalty. And this is something the Treasury loves because it generates cash, so they're always going to be pushing for Roth conversions. And as of 2010, your income level is not relevant. So in a Roth IRA, if you make over $196,000 in 2017, you can't do a Roth. You may be able to do a backdoor Roth, but you can't make Roth contributions. But you can still do conversions because the government certainly wants your money from the conversion. Adam Bergman, IRA Financial. Please, if you have questions on self-directed IRAs or Roth conversions or solo 401k conversions, call us, 800-472-0646. You can email me anytime, Adam B, A-D-A-M, B as in Bergman, Adam B, at irafinancialgroup.com. Thanks again for watching.